We also try to leave some areas just for biodiversity.
It's very important the people participation.
There are no hierarchy in spaces, so it's very democratic, it's constructed in wood, and it can be adapted to lots of situations.
Two bands of 30 kilometers, we are now working in the connectivity between the river and each municipality, because the people need to have a pathway like near to their homes to come to the river and go back. We have like 4 million people around. Last year we have 3 million visitors here in Llobregat Park River.
This is the center of environmental education. They learn here the value of this ecosystem.
We think biodiversity is health, and that means we've got a plan. It's on our website, and it works on 23 lines, so structures for birds to nest, refuge for animals. We've changed the way of managing lakes in a natural way. We've changed the way of pruning. We don't use phytosanitaries. So we're changing all this way to have healthy spaces.
I have to remember that we work for people. It's a building that creates identity, and when you enter inside you will feel that people are proud, and this is what we work for.
There are a lot of activities with participation of the people, citizen science activities, and we plant in the dunes. The title of the Bauhaus it was Reconnecting with Nature.